Okay, here we go. We are doing this video, I am doing this video for 10 theorems from two lines cut by a transversal. Okay, so here's the two lines. Now, I might go fast, but you can always stop the video. So here's my two lines cut by a transversal. This is M and this is N. And here's the 8 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so 1A. Now there's 5 theorems, but each of them has a converse. Okay? So 1A says if parallel, then corresponding angles congruent. Example, if M parallel to N, then angle 3 is congruent to angle 7, 3 and 7. Okay, number 2, or 1B, if corresponding angles congruent, then parallel. Example, if angle 8 congruent to angle 4, then M is parallel to N. Okay? 1 or 2A. If parallel, the alternate interior angles congruent. Example, M parallel to N, then angle 3 is congruent to angle 6. To B, if alternate interior angles congruent, then parallel. Example, if angle 4 congruent to angle 5, then M parallel to N. Now 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, those are all converses of each other. Okay? 3A, if parallel, then alternate exterior angles congruent. Example, if M parallel to N, then alternate exterior, angle 1 is congruent to angle 8. (3B), if alternate exterior angles congruent, then parallel lines. Example, if angle 2 congruent to angle 7, then M parallel to N. For A, if parallel lines, the same side interior angles supplementary. So if, for example, if M parallel N, then angle 4 plus angle 6 equals 180 degrees. 4B, if same side interior angles sup, then the lines are parallel. Example, if angle 3 plus angle 5 equals 180, then 180 degrees, then M is parallel to N. Last two, 5A, if same side exterior, nope, 5A, I'm going to do the parallel one first. Whoops. If parallel, then same side exterior angles sup. Example, if M parallel to N, angle 1 plus angle 7 equals 180 degrees. 5B, if same side exterior angles sup, then parallel lines. Example, if angle 2 plus angle 8, I hope, angle 2, yep. Angle 2 plus angle 8 equals 180 degrees. Then M is parallel to N. Okay, so that pretty much summarizes the 10 formulas. Let's go back. If the lines are parallel, the corresponding angles are congruent. Okay, so 8, 4, 3, 7, 5, 1, 2, 6. If the corresponding angles are congruent, then the lines are parallel. If angle 8 is congruent to angle 4, for example, then M is parallel to N. Now, the symbol for parallel, sometimes you see it on the lines like this. That means parallel. Okay? And then 2A, if the lines are parallel, the alternate interior angles are congruent. If the alternate interior angles are congruent, then the lines are parallel. 3A, if the lines are parallel, the alternate exterior angles are congruent, like angle 1 and angle 8. If the alternate exterior angles are congruent, then the lines are parallel. If angle 2 is congruent to angle 7, for example, then the two M, and then M is parallel to N. Number 4, if the lines are parallel, the same side interior angles are supplementary. These two. And if the same side interior angles are supplementary, then the lines are parallel. So if 3 plus 5 equals 180, then M is parallel to N. Number 5A, if the lines are parallel, then the same side exterior angles are supplementary. So if M is parallel to N, then angle 1 plus angle 7 is equal to 180. Number 5B, if the same side exterior angles are supplementary, then the two lines are parallel. For example, if angle 2 plus angle 8 are supplementary, then the lines are parallel. That pretty much summarizes the 10 theorems that you'll be using. Okay? For example, if I have a problem like this, and I have a diagonal like this, and this is angle 1, this is angle 2, this is angle 3, and this is angle 4, and this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. Okay? If angle 1 is congruent to angle 4, okay, then BD is parallel to CA. Okay, because if the alternate interior angles congruent, then the lines are parallel. So these two lines here from this transversal. Now, I'll do another color here just to show you that if angle 2 is congruent to angle 3, then CD is parallel to BA. And you can see that if 3 is congruent to 2, then AB is parallel to CD. Same transversal, just connecting two lines. Okay? Two different lines. So if the alternate interior angles congruent, then the lines are parallel. Okay? All right, that's the video on the 10 theorems created from two lines cut by a transversal. And sometimes they're hidden. Have a great day, honors geometry students.